Check out the reaction, bro. Man, what's wrong? Come this side. The beauty of Bengal. वाह वाह वाह, मोटरसाइकिल है तो ऐसे साइड साइड से निकल जाओ. Still there is space. No problem. मैं हिजली स्कूल का अलमनाई है, ठीक है.
स्कूल के अलग नहीं होता है क्या?
हाँ, हिजली स्कूल का अलमनाई नहीं होता है. হ্যাঁ তুই চালাতে পারবি, দেখ তুই এখনই চালাবি কি?
না রে ভাই।
Established in 1951 and it's ready. Good morning from Kharagpur. I am going to Kolkata. This is Malancha area in Kharagpur. Bright sunny morning. Bike is all set up. 3 luggages, one at the front, 2 at the back, one tied up with a bungee and one top box. And this is how I look. Hopefully we'll reach Kolkata within 4 hours. Let's check how much time it takes. I have to anyhow reach by 2:30 because I have a meeting at 3 p.m. This is how the bike looks, full of luggage and dust. This is an extra luggage that we got. So after having breakfast, we are proceeding. I ate upma at this place. It is very nice. We'll have tea somewhere. The highway is just a little ahead. Dusty road. Jaywalkers at the highway. This side is Kharagpur town or city, you may say. This is the Rashmi cement factory. This place is called as Chorongi. So to the left it goes to Midnapur. Check out the reaction, bro. Right goes to Kharagpur. In the towards this way the road goes to Nagpur, Mumbai. It's getting a little trafficy out here. It started getting cloudier in this part as compared to Kharagpur GOVP petrol pump where I stop every time. Barricades. The beauty of Bengal is barricades. We have the Debra toll plaza in 1 kilometer. So this is the toll plaza. Problem is my chain is actually very dry. I could not find out the gear oil which I was carrying, not in this bag, probably in some other bag it is placed, but can't open those bags because it's too full. If I open then again it will be a big issue for packing up, so no need. That is why the top speed is also coming up very less. Believe it should not cost much for not oiling the chain. It's quite cold this side. Slow driving, that's what the signboard says. I slowed down. 90 से नीचे कैसे स्लो करेगा? Don't know which place. We are getting all HP petrol pumps and Indian Oil and no Bharat Petroleum. That's an issue. Look at the number of barricades. Oh, what an arrangement. Beautiful. Time for some refueling. Bas. Cruising at a gentle speed. There is a speed restriction mentioned. I would try to maintain that. It's not about speeding rather, but it's always about being safe. So reached Deolia, and next we are going to enter the Kolaghat. Reached Kolaghat. This is the river Roop Narayan. This is exactly halfway between Kharagpur and Kolkata, you can say. Getting some public attention. This is Bagnan, Howrah. Not much crowded up to here, but let's see. While entering Kolkata, how is the traffic? कितना रिस्क उठा रहे हैं देखिए. इतना रिस्क. Why man? Why do they have to take so much risk? So risky man. See how they are carrying their child. इतना क्यों? And both are without helmet. जीवन में सब कुछ ऊपर वाले के भरोसे में कर चुके हैं. This is NH, and see, look at the painting on the bus. Traffic has already started growing up. मोटरसाइकिल है तो ऐसे साइड से निकल जाओ. Traffic and traffic police could not control. एकदम wrong side पे पहुंच गया था मैं. Now at the correct side. And see now the situation. It's very unsafe. At the Dhulagad toll plaza, and from here I think traffic will start growing up. Look at that uncle. Uncle is wearing a dhuti, riding Apache, and see how he is cutting. Oh. तो मैं भी नहीं पकड़ पा रहा हूँ ऑफ रोड बाइक लेके. Hats off to the person sitting behind him. This is the uncle. More traffic as we proceed towards Kolkata. I'll check the map. So I am taking the route towards second Hooghly Bridge. This goes to Kolkata, and that one actually goes to Delhi. My house is at a position which can be reached while going straight also. So I was checking the Google Maps for the shortest route. Traffic देख के चलना पड़ता है. This side seems very congested. Look at this SBSTC. Nobody can beat an SBSTC. Two-wheeler is awesome. I love riding bikes because of this advantage. So many police. What are they doing? Park their car here. See. Still there is space. No problem. Look at their paints. It's a big vehicle, but I am the two-wheeler. This is Santragachi. So crowded, man. It's very cloudy also. See open drains. यार यहाँ से निकलना तो बहुत मुश्किल पड़ेगा. In the coming years, with the growing number of cars, no, needs something better here. Otherwise, it's gonna be a big mess. Now this time I'm going to maintain the line because while coming, I was caught by police here. So second Hooghly Bridge, toll gate crossed. That side we can see the Eden Gardens. The road has narrowed down. Car is going so slow, man. At least he should leave the left side open. What's wrong, man? What's wrong? Come this side. Sir, Jai Hind. Kolkata. Yes, I have come to my place. As you might be knowing, following my riding style. Stop signal at PG Hospital. Ba flyover, Victoria. There is speed limit. I have to maintain that. So polluted, see. Can't see the buildings clearly. गंदगी गंदगी है पूरा. वाह वाह वाह. रिवर तो देखो. Looks solid, man. I'll go towards the right. This place looks awesome. RTC Sonar, Marriott. Can anyone tell me why this metro station is named as Beleghata? I don't think this is Beleghata. See, the station name is Beleghata. But why it's not even Chingrighata? And this is properly metropolitan. Or you can also call it Dhapa. Whatever, but not Beleghata. So this is my regular way towards office. I have to reduce the speed a bit. I don't know, today, man, the roads are very empty. This way looks nice with the coconut trees. What a timing. Look at the metro. This is Salt Lake Sector 5 station. कोलकाता आते ही बहुत गर्मी है और ट्रैफिक भी बहुत है. Yeah, I'm about to reach my destination in some time.